Today's episode is another video taken from before my month's break away from YouTube. Today in particular, I was curious to do a cutting technique from the Ryuha Katori Shinto Ryu. Some quick muscle warm-ups. I tried to cut using only the forward extension well known from the style. From my observation, they don't do big swinging cuts, but more compact forward extension. I think it helps with a quick reset back to their kamae stance. The cutting isn't doing very well this time. There are days like that from time to time. Would have been nice if the foam stays still. Trying to cut using the edge closest to the suba. Muso Shinden Ryu Omori no kata. Ryuto! Nope, didn't go through this time. Seriously, didn't go through. Sete Yai no kata. Morote zuki. What's worth a shot? Sete Yai no kata. 顔面当てせいて居合の方顔面当て And they say Iaido are just dancers. Se te iai no kata. Sambo giri. せて居合の方毛さ切り Trying out Tubebuddy cut. Oh, come on. Batodo style cut. Didn't cut true, but it felt better. Let's try to get that last cut in. There are some good days, there are some bad days. That's why we keep on training. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please support by like and subscribe and give that bell a ding. Come check out my other cool videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one.